I'm gonna show you the easiest and safest way to add music to CapCut using any song you want from your iPhone or Android. First, a quick warning. Some of the songs on YouTube are copyrighted. This means that if you use them in your videos or social media posts, your video or post could be taken down, restricted or blocked, or it could affect your ability to make money from that account in the future. So make sure that the music you find on YouTube is copyright free. Fortunately for you, there are channels on YouTube dedicated to this, such as Now Copyright Sounds, Audio Library, Music for Content Creators, Now Copyright Background Music, and many more. Or if you want something more professional, you can pay for an exclusive music service. First, find the screen recorder built into your phone. For iPhone, go to the Control Center and make sure that the screen recording is added there. This way, when you swipe the control center on your phone, you will have a screen recording button. On an Android phone, swipe down the control center and you will see the screen recording button there. Tap it to start recording your screen and internal audio. Once you know where the screen recorder is on your phone, go to YouTube and find the song you want to use. Open the song's video, pause it, and go back to the beginning of the song. Now, slide down or slide up the control center, start the screen recording, and then hit the play button on the video. Let the song play until the end, then swipe and stop the screen recorder. Great! After your screen recording is complete, open your project in CapCut, tap on Audio, then on Extract, select the screen recording video you just made, and tap Extract and Add Audio. There you go, now you have the music in the timeline to be used. Trim the recording to where the music starts, drag it with your finger to the desired spot, and the best part is, you won't have to do this process again to add the same song, as it will be saved in your song gallery. But how do you access the songs we've exported to CapCut? For that, tap on the audio option, tap on the sound option, tap the file or folder icon, and if you scroll down, you will find the section with all the songs you've extracted and collected. If you want to master video editing from your phone, tap the playlist that appears on the screen right now. It's a course where you will find more essential CapCut tricks, saving you from paying $100 to $200 for courses. Tap it and improve your editing today.